Hey guys, here's that Western omelet. It's a Western cheese omelet. And again, I'm sorry, I did record it, but I thought I saved it. I deleted it. Plus, I deleted my hash browns. But anyway, all this is, you take as much onion and peppers as you like, and garlic, or leave out the garlic. I used, because of my grandkids are eating this, and they're not huge pepper fans, I used a half a cup of pepper and about a cup of onion. If I was feeding, the more for their adults, I would have added probably about a cup of bacon. I'm not bacon, a cup of peppers. You could use whatever meat you want. I put ham in. I've done it with sausage and bacon. You could do all three. It's up to you, whatever combination you want. You could do turkey, sausage. It's up to you guys. But I used, this is a 9 by 14 pan. I used 12, 14, 16. About 17 eggs. 17 eggs. For every 12 eggs, you use 1 cup of milk and a half a cup of heavy cream. Okay? Salt and pepper to your own flavor, but I know eggs love black pepper. They love black pepper. So in here I put salt, I put black pepper, very, very, very little onion powder and garlic powder. And why did I do that? Because I never, ever, ever, ever put either milk or onion and garlic powder in my eggs. But why did I do that? On the bottom, I had a 30-pound bag of hash browns. I used about 20, not 30 pounds, a 30-ounce bag of hash browns. I used about, and they're shredded, I used about 20 to 25 ounces of shredded hash browns. You can make your own. I did not have time. I defrosted them. I seasoned them with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I took the onion and the onion and pepper I had, I sauteed it with a little bit of olive oil and butter in a frying pan. Then I threw in about a clove of garlic, mixed it all together, and then I mixed that in with the hash browns. I cubed up about almost 3 cups of ham, which was a lot, but I cubed up the ham, put it in here, and then I made my egg mixture. I took the, for me, I took 16 eggs. For you, you would take 12 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and a half a cup of heavy cream. Season it the way you want. Put at least salt and pepper. And like I said, I added a little bit of salt and pepper, onion powder and garlic powder, just to, to layer the flavors. So that's what I had in my hash browns and what I had in my peppers and onions. And when I sauteed my peppers and onions, it was over medium-high heat. I used salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic pepper. Again, olive oil and a little bit of butter. And what else? And then I put in about, you could use whatever cheese you want. I used sharp cheddar. I put in about 2.5 to 3 cups. You could put in 1 cup, 1.5, 2 cups. You could do a mix. It's up to you. I mixed the cheese in with the egg mixture. Then I threw that on top of your hash browns with their peppers and onions and garlic and ham all mixed together. So on the bottom layer is your hash brown mixed with your meat of choice and your pepper and onion. Then you throw on your egg and cheese mixture. When it came out of the oven, I just did a light sprinkling of cheddar cheese. If I had scallions or chives, I would just put a little green on there to make it look pretty. Okay. And guys, you don't have to saute your onions and peppers. You don't have to, because it will cook in the oven. Oh, and I cooked this at 375 for about, anywhere again, 45 to 60 minutes. And I did mine for about, I think, 51, 52 minutes. Okay, 375.